Hello, Mom and Sir. My name is Vanessa Cain. I am 34 years old, single. I finished my studies as Bachelor of Science in Hotel and Restaurant Management. And when pandemic came, I proceeded taking a caregiving course for 6 months, and I worked for 1 year here in the Philippines as an on-call caregiver, home-based and hospital-based. And after that, decided to apply in Hong Kong. So my first experience in Hong Kong, I am serving 3 persons in the house, 2 adult and 8 years old boy. I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I make him breakfast. I send him to school, pick him up afterwards, then go straight to the market in the morning. And when my employers left the house to go to work, I began to clean the house, do the laundry, do the ironing, car washing, and in the afternoon, I prepare food to cook for dinner. And to my future employer, if you will hire me, I promise to do my best, and I am willing to learn more about this job. I am a trustworthy person, reliable, honest, and caring. Thank you for your time and consideration.